What's going on, everyone? Sam Luca here with your Tuesday, February 19th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. A lot of exciting things going on today. Right now, it's about 14 degrees. The forecast is saying it'll be about 27 degrees as a high later this afternoon. Some light 5 to 6 mile per hour winds, really nothing to worry about. Today we have 26 freshly groomed trails ready to be carved up and 8 lifts running. So you're gonna wanna make sure you come down here and enjoy some of that fresh snow that fell yesterday morning. This whole week is holiday week at Wachusett Mountain, which means our hours are longer. We're open from 7:30 a.m. till 10 p.m. every day this week. Tonight, if you go to the Black Diamond from 7 to 9 p.m., you can get a free mug with any order of a Jack's Abbey beer. That's all I have for my snow report for today. I'm Sam Luca, and I'll see you guys on the slopes.